if you didn't get the interquartile range. So you're split the data into 4 categories, or 4 even sets of data. When you've got data set out like this, have a quick scan. You've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23 bits of data. You can see just by the pattern that they've done that that one is the middle piece of data. Are you all happy with that? Yeah, you do a quick check. Are they in numerical order? Yes, they are. So therefore, that's the middle one. Okay. We can check it as well if we wanted to, based what's given in the question. Now, we need to find the middle bit of data here and the middle bit of data here so that we can work out the interquartile range. Okay, so we want the top 25%, take away the bottom 25%. Okay? You can literally do it, because loads of you got this bit wrong and loads of you missed this bit out. So you can easily do it by counting with your fingers. I'm coming in, I've got these, I've got these, I've got that. So that's got to be the middle one, because I can't come in anymore and have a piece of data under each piece of finger. Each piece of finger? Each finger. So therefore that's got to be the middle of the other half as well. So for this, you needed to do 56, take away 42. And I think it's equal to 14. You're right. Okay, yeah. These 2 questions are communication marks. Do yourself a favour and write in full sentences for the where it's clear that they're asking you to communicate why or someone is right or someone is wrong. So for the first one, Tanya says that the information on the table shows that Class X did better in the test than Class Y. Is she correct? Yes, she is, because Class X got a larger median score, so on average did better. So if they've got a higher median, mean, or mode, generally speaking, that class did better, because they're the 3 averages. So if you've got a higher average, or a lower average, depending on what the question is, that says whether the class does better or not. The bottom one, no, Class Y have a larger range and interquartile range, which shows a larger variations in score. So when you talk about ranges, you talk about consistency of scores. If you've got a larger range, then they're not consistent with the score.
Miss, you go in the mark for saying no for question B.
Oh, I shouldn't. Oh, that's splits then. I owe you one and I'll take one off.
Why would you do that, though?
It's not cheap.
Okay, so everyone got that? You get asked these kinds of questions loads. So if they've got a higher average, they've done better. The averages are only the 3 ends, mean, median, or mode, depending on what you wrote. Are you okay? You sure? Next one should have been C, E, P, A, D. If you got 2 right, you got 1 mark. If you got 3 or 4 right, you got 2 marks.
I knew that one. I guess that one.
You right?
I knew D.
We got 2, well 3,
Oh, you
2
you
marks.
got the letter, didn't you?
There's a guess between like.
Miss, do
Yeah,
you think
why
that
was
that
it- I
makes
got- I knew
that
one.
position really hard?
I knew one as well.
I knew all of them except obviously B and C.